Welcome this video. Pouch design idea. Style a way to elevate your pouch display. Pouch are more than just functional contain far plants than are elements is in house and gardening decoration. A well designed pouch can highlight the beauty of a pouch, can harmonize within a space, and even serve as a statement price. Rather your work with a choosing apartment, balcony, or a space, backyard, and elements, indoor living room. Choose the right pouch design can complement transforming the look and feel the your space. We explore the experience of various of pouch design idea that blend stylish for classic or are choosing created and modern minimalist trend those perfect pouch or even architecture classic traditional pouch are timeless or are seasoning their earth touch are both material make theme idea for both indoor and outdoor use. Their pouch excellent help to rolling functional useful for beginning to add a modern touch. Consider pouch with geometric palette functional use while pouch for a clean farmhouse style black with gold for a more look group pouch to define size together creating a choosing a rule display maximize cottage pouch connected pouch are perfect for modern individual or maximizes aesthetic then can line and review textile bring gardening contemporary vibrant to any space that also experiment and create for a long pouch like field bring for a pair. You can create connect pouch at use simple modern like old convenient cardboard box. One level theme as is for a look theme color such well a mute gardening recycle and pouch. Pouch design are not only budget friendly but also sustainability and created